Bill has got the latest for our region and beyond.
Yeah, Minneapolis didn't quite get as much as some of the outlets up there were advertising kind of a widespread 20-plus inch event.
Yeah.
There was a report of 20 inches in the Lakeville area, kind of just south of Minneapolis, Apple Valley as well, but most of Minneapolis between about 15 and 19 inches. So not to minimize that, but at least it wasn't 2 feet like some outlets were advertising. But boy, it was a widespread heavy snow event. Let's get right to it. We'll head outside through CityCam, where still some flurries are flying across the region. 25 the high today, 21 the low. So not a lot of movement in temperatures once again. 36 and 17 are the averages, 62 the record high not too long ago, 2000. You have to go way back to 1873 when we hit that 29 below. And so far, unofficially out at the La Crosse Airport, 1.2 inches today, but storm total 9.8 inches. So this total hasn't included the 1.2 today, but look at it does include what fell through midnight last night. So we're up to 40+ inches, and we're back above average for snowfall by at least 5 or 6 inches. And precip-wise, just for the year, we are about 1.25 inches above average. Currently, some flurries downtown La Crosse, 22 degrees, 23 at the station. Feels like 9. Eau Claire, some flurries for you as well, 18, and it feels like 4 degrees. So cold air wrapping behind the system. That's very common when these stronger storms come through. They pull a lot of cold air southward. Current air temperatures below 0 over the northern plains. We're not that cold, but temperatures in the teens and lower 20s. Wind speeds out of the northwest generally at about 5 to 15, still gusting 25 miles per hour. So that's pushing wind chills into the single digits, mainly above 0, but below 0 numbers as you head into southeastern Minnesota. But look at what our wind chill does here in the Cross overnight, falling below 0 by midnight. And we could wake up to wind chills around maybe 5 to 10 degrees below 0. Although the good news, winds will be kind of lightening up overnight. But it's going to be cold enough. Right around 0 for a low here in the Cross. Single digits above 0, primarily down to the south, and then single digits below 0, primarily as we head back to the north, especially up towards Eau Claire and the Chippewa Valley. Overnight lows around 6 or 7 below. Now, still some light snow showers or flurries, as you saw through CityCam. Kind of some stringers coming off of the Mississippi River and elsewhere, just kind of wrapping around the main low, which is now departing off to our east over the central Great Lakes. So these won't last too much longer, and they're not going to really amount to anything. And then I'm watching this little trough coming out of the central Rockies. That could bring a quick burst of light snow showers or flurries towards tomorrow evening or night. And Sky Tracker will show that. First of all, the flurries get out of here this evening. Decreasing clouds overnight, and those winds will kind of slacken. Tomorrow, clouds increase. Here's that little disturbance that brings the light snow showers or flurries by about dinner time or so, and that quickly moves through, though, probably exiting by midnight or shortly thereafter. Otherwise, Saturday, we start with cloud cover, but get rid of that cloud cover. A little breezy, but temperatures not quite as cold on Saturday, with highs back in the lower 30s. Now tomorrow will be cold, upper teens to around 20 degrees in the county. Down to the south, probably some low to mid 20s in especially Crawford County. As we head back to the north, some of you might not even reach 20 degrees again. We'll have to struggle to reach 20 here in the Cross, probably around 15 or 16 degrees for highs for Eau Claire and Chippewa Falls. So for tonight, much colder. Again, those light snow showers or flurries wrapping up this evening. Otherwise, mostly to partly cloudy. Overnight lows around 0, but those wind chills single digits and teens below 0. 19 degrees tomorrow, so a cold day with a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Dry during the day, that slight chance of light snow showers tomorrow evening and night. Otherwise dry for the weekend and not as cold. 32 on Saturday, 39 on Sunday. Another system on Monday, but this could be more rain than snow, but maybe some snow mixing in on the back edge of it. 37 for the high. Dry Tuesday, slight chance of light rain or snow showers next Wednesday, and temperatures staying pretty uniform next week between about 35 and 39 degrees. So a fairly active pattern continues, and we'll have to watch Monday. A lot of rain could fall from that one, so that would be strange to deposit more water into our snowpack, but
yeah.
That's what could happen over the next couple of days.
All right, and of course you'll stay on it, as
Absolutely.
always. Thanks a lot, Bill.
Okay.